Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to download WinRAR. Type in WinRAR, then go to the first link. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Then download WinRAR. Download WinRAR. It's going to start downloading. It's going to be 4 megabytes. Okay, once it's done, click open, click yes, click a place where you want to install it. I just leave it as default. Just click install, click OK, click done, and you're all set. So let's see if it works. Click extract here, and it's working. Hope this video helped you guys out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.